Hello everyone. At this moment, I'm going to change the front differential oil in my 2018 4x4 Dodge Ram 1500. And the first thing I'm gonna do is gonna crawl underneath the truck. And if you see in here, it's a front differential right there. So this plug right here, that's the fill plug, and this one over here is the drain one. So I'm gonna be using number 8 Allen wrench to remove them. And I'm gonna remove this one first, then this one later. And this is a 392 differential. So I would, if I were you, would consult first the maintenance manual, which one you have, so that way you can use the right oil. The front differential is not limited slip, so you don't need to add additive on it. The additive is just for the rear one, which I already made a video, so if you want to look at it. But this one doesn't need it, don't need the additive. So I'm gonna be losing the first two plugs. I'm gonna stop the video so because I'm gonna hold the camera and at the same time lose the plugs. If you see, I already removed both plugs. It is draining. So what is draining, I'm just gonna get the plugs and put some Teflon tape to don't waste time, so that way I can just finish the task pretty quick. Just gonna let it drain and gonna put Teflon tape in the plugs. It doesn't say anywhere in the manual to do it, but I personally like to put Teflon tape in the threads everywhere in plumbing, and if I see threads, I mean, I always like to do that. If you've seen, I already put Teflon tape both the fill plug and the drain plug, so that way it already finished draining. You see no more oil coming off of it. So I'm gonna put them up, tie them up. I don't know the torque on it, which is a plug. I mean, I don't go crazy tightening it. I mean, I will suggest you to consult the maintenance manual, like I said before, to verify what kind of oil is the right one for your differential. So, in my case, I'm using 75W-90 Valvoline synthetic. That's what I'm using in my truck. So, must always check the manual so that way you can be sure what you're using. Okay, I already got the drain plug on, which is this one over here. So what I'm gonna do now is gonna fill it up through here, and this will be your level right there at the edge of the hole. So once it gets full, fill up right, it's gonna start dripping through here, and it's gonna be constant. So once you see that constant dripping, you stop and your differential service, and you put your plug back. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and share it. Take care. Bye to everybody.